Acer Predator Helios 300 Gaming Laptop PC Acer PH315-52-78VL. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. I have only owned one other laptop which lasted almost a decade. That and my PCs is what I have to compare it to. When I buy computer stuff I try to get the best for the money that will not be out of date for many years. In my mind I try to buy things that will be good for 8-10 years. After looking at many laptops from top brands, and reading reviews and articles from the PC world, I realized I wanted a monitor at or above 120Hz. This one is 144Hz amazing. My old laptop became no fun when the CPU was way past its prime, so I wanted no less than i7 8th gen, this one is the 9th gen. When it came to the video I wanted a 1060 or faster. This has the 1660T, yesterday's beast card. The last on my concerns were heating up while under load. I am still concerned with heating up under load, but at this point it seems to handle everything I have put at it so far. The Predator key pulls up the CPU, GPU, and laptop temps, which has not gone much higher than mid-70s. The two games my kids and I have played on it might not be the most demanding either at this point. I like the way the keyboard feels also, and I use a wireless mouse. I cannot say enough about the monitor, it is just great. I have only had the laptop for a week at this point and will update my review if something great or terrible comes to light. Laptop performs great. You'll be able to run pretty much any AAA title at max, ultra at reasonable frame rates. Cooling much better than the 2018 model and I didn't notice any thermal throttling. You are unable to upgrade the NVIDIA driver manually. You must use GeForce Experience. 144Hz display is good not great but for the price it's unbeatable. Average backlight bleed which is typical for IPS. Little to no screen tearing without VSync. No G-Sync which is fine. Speakers better than expected for type of laptop. Fan is loud but not piercing under load. Keyboard is soft but deliberate, great for typing. Very intrusive junkware had to be removed so notifications weren't popping up every 20 minutes, annoying but typical. Laptop is thinner than the more expensive Asus and MSI competition. The half-metal case is confidence-inspiring. The bottom is very easy to remove with a few screws and gives you quick access to all replaceable parts. Normally I would not buy an Acer but their Predator line shows quality they have not shown in the past. I'm disappointed it's not RGB like it was advertised on Acer's website, cross-referenced specific model hash, but for the performance it's not too upsetting. Would recommend as long as the quality lasts as long as it looks good. Summary. Pros. Looks and feels sleek and solid. That 144Hz screen is fantastic. 300 nits is not MacBook bright, but it's usable in daylight. Comes with fast M.2 storage. Wi-Fi is incredibly fast. Powerful GPU. Very effective cooling, I never saw it break 46°C. Cons. Blue backlighting is bad for bedtime use. No option to disable Optimus and enable G-Sync, so no G-Sync. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.